In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro's Create with AI to generate sticky notes. By the end, you'll be able to spin up clear, organized sticky notes from either a text prompt or an image right on your board. First, open Miro in your browser and head to the board where you want to work. Give the board a moment to load and make sure you have edit access so the AI can place content for you. Once you're in the board, look to the left-hand toolbar and click Create with AI. This opens a panel designed to speed up your brainstorming and planning. Inside that panel, choose Sticky Notes. You'll see two ways to start, a text prompt or image sticky notes. If you want to use a text prompt, type a clear description of what you want the sticky notes to contain. Think of it like giving a concise brief. Include the topic, the kind of content you want on each note, and if it matters, the number of notes or the tone. For example, you might say, generate 10 sticky notes with short, actionable ideas for improving remote team meetings. Being specific helps the AI return notes that are ready to use. When you're happy with your prompt, click Generate. If you prefer the image route, choose Image Sticky Notes and upload a photo or screenshot of notes, a whiteboard sketch, or any clear text content. The AI will read the image and convert what it finds into individual sticky notes. This is especially handy for turning messy snapshots into structured, editable content. Make sure your image is well lit and the text is legible for best results, then click Generate. After you generate, Miro will place the new sticky notes directly on your board. They'll appear in a neatly arranged cluster so you can review them at a glance. If something doesn't look right, don't worry, adjust your prompt to be more specific and generate again. Small tweaks, like asking for short phrases or group by theme, can make a big difference in clarity and usefulness. A couple of quick tips as you work. Keep prompts concise and goal-driven. If you're summarizing a topic, tell the AI whether you want definitions, pros and cons, or action items. For images, avoid heavy glare and extreme angles to improve accuracy. And remember, you can always refine and regenerate until the sticky notes match your intent. That's all there is to it. Go to Miro, open your board, choose. Create with AI, pick sticky notes, and generate from either a prompt or an image. You're done.